Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to disable quick access in Windows File Explorer. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is head over to your search tab on your PC and type in File Explorer Options and then click into File Explorer Options, and then from here make sure you're in the General tab and just uncheck show recently used files, show frequently used files, uncheck them too, and you can even uncheck show recommended sections, and you can even do as well include account based insights, recent favorites and all that stuff. So once you've unchecked all four, click on apply and then click on OK. And yeah, that's it guys, how to disable quick access in Windows. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful.